Hi there, welcome to the video. In this video I am going to explain about the PHP comments. PHP comments are used to describe any line of code so that other developers can understand the code easily. It is also used to hide any codes. PHP supports single line and multi-line comments. These comments are similar to C, C++ and Perl style, which is a unique shell style comments. Now let us understand PHP single line comments. The first way to give a PHP single line comments is by using double forward slash. It is a C++ style single line comments. So let's see this example you through a program. This is a program, so I am going to give a single line comments using C++ style. So I should give here double forward slash. Let's save and see its output, it's working or not. In output it should hide this line of code, that is line number 2. As it hides the line number 2. The second way to give single line comments in PHP is by using hash, which is a unique shell style single line comment. Let's understand it through the program. So I am going to use here a single line comment, which is a unique shell style single line comment using hash. So I will save. Now the line number 3 should get hide. Let's see it output. Yes, the line number 3 gets hide. In PHP we can comment multiple line also. To do so we need to enclose all the lines within forward slash star and ends with star forward slash. Let's see the PHP multiple line comments through a program. So to use a multiple line comments we have to use forward slash star and ends with star and forward slash, and the line number 4, 5 and 6 should get hide. So let's save and see the output. Yes, the line number 4, 5 and 6 get hide. This is all about this video. In the next video I am going to explain about the PHP control statement. Thank you for watching Technology 021.